How to fix cannot connect to App Store error in iPhone or iPad. Hey guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix cannot connect to App Store error on your iPhone or iPad. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the reason why you cannot connect to your App Store can be as simple as your Wi-Fi not working. So what you can do is simply check for your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi and you have the internet as well. So you can turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi as well at first, and you can just turn on and turn off your airplane mode as well. After doing that, make sure that you connect back to your Wi-Fi and try to open up your App Store again. And even after doing that, if your App Store is not working, what you'll need to do is you can just restart your iPhone. You can simply restart your iPhone, and after doing that, your problem should get fixed. Now, if that does not fix your problem, head over to your settings, head over to general, and then scroll down all the way. There you will find an option called transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and then tap on reset. Right there you'll find reset network settings. All you have to do is reset your network settings. After you do that, your problem will get fixed if the issue was in your network. Now the other thing that you can do is you can head over to your settings again, and on the top you'll find your Apple account. Simply sign out of your Apple account and sign back right into it. And I will not be signing out, so yeah, you can just sign out and sign back in, and after doing that your problem should be fixed, and then you can simply open up your App Store and use it as you'd like. And that's basically how you fix the error, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.